here we have it. This is Pixley Falls.
Yeah, right now we're at the Pixley Falls. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Hello. Hello, Pujijo.
Starting route to Pixley Falls State Park. Starting route. Head northeast on Kossuth Avenue. Then turn left onto Broad Street.
Ikan Lala waterfalls we escaping. It's enough. One is enough.
Alright, well, I'm gonna need it because my chest is hurting. Which means I need water. Thank you. Yeah. There should be water left. Actually, here, right here. Here, I got one.
Let's go to Walmart too.
When?
Just a little bit ago. When I was upstairs, so I'm just sleeping. This is very, very sad, you know. It's kind of cloudy day.
It's been like this the whole week.
Well,
it's like the weather is like agreeing with the quarantine. Like the weather doesn't want people to go outside. So the weather is like, I'm just speaking gloomy.
You should see this. It looks really cool.
What?
The sky. There's Children's Museum. It's not open now. It's actually it's relocated. Somebody bought this building and it changed to the other building.
When?
On Memorial Drive.
When did someone buy it?
A few weeks ago. It's on the news. Somebody bought it. These are businesses. They're all closed. We don't really have a lot of customers right now. It's sad to see this happen.
What I'm most sad about
really
is the Chinese restaurant China Wong is closed till at least April 8th, and I'm craving Chinese food like I did when I was in Ukraine and there was no Chinese restaurants. So when it opens up, I'm gonna buy at least two meals. Just for me.
Just one meal. You're not gonna finish it.
Well, not the same day, yeah, but I'm gonna buy two because I know I'm gonna want more. So the next day I can have more. Also, how the kids are gonna want to
turn right onto Laurent Avenue, then bear right to merge onto I-790 west towards New York 8.
Oh, I know it is.
You gotta turn right here. Hurry.
But I don't listen to directions, especially when I'm in the left lane. I'm just gonna keep it in.
Like, ew.
He's just enjoying himself. He's a baby.
Yeah, because he just can't wait to get out of the house.
Use the left lane to keep left to merge onto
Are we going to be at the checkpoint, Jeff? Because are we allowed to go places?
It says 33 minutes to where we're going, which doesn't make sense. Why are we going this way to go to that way? What?
Because we stay home too long and it's not healthy. We just drive in, we stay in the car, we're not getting out. But in case we have to get out, we have a mask.
Well, I think you have to go to the store to get necessities, get some food, some bread and some milk.
Take the exit.
No,
to route
ginger
onto
vegetables.
49 west
Well, you have to remind me about the ginger when we get back. You have to remind me about the ginger.
It might rain, so I might not. We haven't seen a lot of rain
And I
lately.
haven't seen the road this empty at 5 p.m.
in 5.8
Look at how
miles.
empty the road is at
Take
5
the
p.m.
exit towards
It's very
West
empty.
Kennedy.
It's like literally like just a few cars on the road. Somebody on rush.
Nah, not a rush.
Somebody is so in rush. There's a river on the left side there. River, right?
It's a nice river that follows the road here.
Yeah. Oh, we're not gonna see that river?
Take the exit, then continue onto Oriskany Road.
Top. Showing the distribution center. Right there. That's the distribution center. Walmart.
This is the Walmart distribution center. I can't see it, but it's right there.
There it is.
Oh yeah.
In 1.3 miles,
I used to-
turn right onto Koenig Road.
An abandoned barn. Somebody lives here. Pillar.
Oh, I think I remember where we're going. Remember when we went to Delta Lake?
Yeah, that's where we're going. That's what.
Yeah, this is gonna take us to Delta Lake and then go up. I remember now. And then here's the store you like to shop at in a grocery store here. At someone's house. Show them this place.
Yeah, somebody lives here. They have a little shop, like the fresh vegetables in summertime.
Right onto Koenig Road.
And you see this.
Homegrown fruit vegetables.
Wonder if they're gonna grow anything this year because of the virus. Just a huh?
It should be over by
8.1
summer.
miles, turn left onto Gifford Hill Road.
So they'll be back in business by summer.
Yeah.
Cut grass.
Looks like an Oswald grandfather. What is that?
Well, if I had to guess, it looks like a water treatment building, but probably not.
Is it the sewer thing? The sewer? This is a nice place to live, you know? These people have places to walk around, you know?
You don't smell it.
Huh?
They've designed it so you don't smell it. And you probably won't be the one dumping it out.
Just hire people?
No, just have Scylla do it. Scylla?
Oh, Jojo.
Scylla's sleeping.
I brought some food, you know, I can feed Jojo.
Of course, me and Jojo took a nap. Scylla didn't take a nap.
nothing, you know, like no trees yet.
turn it in. Now, if we had the attachment,
Yeah.
I would, but we didn't bring it.
So what was it?
He might be too big for it.
People are coming down. Stop.
Careful, look at this. This on the street.
Too small.
Kind of right
Now, Paul, get the staircase that goes up.
Do you want to film me?
Yeah, but you're gonna have to come back down for the camera.
So right now we at the falls. We're at the falls right now.
There's two ways down there. One is to walk down the path, the other way is to walk down the river.
How much water do you think is in heaven?
Sila, look at mama. It's a lot of water. There's somebody making a fire there.
Huh?
Somebody making a fire.
Yeah, they're cooking.
Huh?
They're cooking some food.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Jojo.
You don't put his head on. It's still a little cold. You hold this. Let me zip this up.
The duck.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Daddy, what's this?
Nice. Noise. And Jojo likes it too.
Huh?
Read the sign. Put the... Stay 6 feet away from everybody. Avoid crowded areas and stay off all playgrounds.
Mm-hmm.
Go all the actually just go all the way up.
There's a 50 waterfalls there. Come on, let's back up. Huh?
The barbecue. Show them the barbecue.
I want to go over here. There's a pet here.
No, no, no. Hold her hand. Silla, hold her hand. All right, go on. On the big rock. Here.
What's that? It's over here, so I'm gonna go on that rock.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Put it right here. Oh, never mind. There's a baby.
Huh?
Mama.
Huh?
It says something. It says something.
I don't know. Don't know what that's.
Oh,
Help me. Go.
wow.
Now go over there.
Huh?
Water thing.
What do I put a camera here?
There you go. All right, now careful. Raise your feet, Scylla. Put your feet down. Scylla, don't put your feet like that. There you go. Your feet down. Scylla. Yeah, like that. Your feet like that.
There you go. Oh, it's so hot. Get my stuff.
Here, I'll take my baby.
So
You
hot.
record the falls from up here now?
Huh? Yeah. We are at the top right now.
Yes, yes.
the sign. Especially the one, the bottom one too.
And he's jumping down the high waterfall.
Yeah.